And the race is on. Trinity Moon, Mooney Money, rushing up in the middle is Ken Ferry Special. Danori inside, best of Chimay TV, Magic Lim. Expensive toys. It's now Ken Ferry Special, best of Chimay Lim. Expensive toys racing in third, running in fourth TV, Magic alongside Mooney Money. Fierce Fighter, Weatherlang, and Trinity Moons now running at the tail of the field as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Ken Ferry Special, followed by entry number 2, Best of Chimay, Lim. Expensive Toys is racing in third and moving up from the outside toward his Mooney Money. Inside the last 700, Ken Fair Special, followed now by the Tablesmith. It's entry number 6, Mooney Money. Ken Fair Special, Mooney Money, Lim. Expensive Toys racing in third by some 4 lengths and running by the best of Chimay TV Magic. Inside the last 450, Ken Fair Special, Mooney Money, and once again running in third, best of Chimay Lim. Expensive Toys TV Magic. Weather lang is sneaking down on the inside as they race the final corner. Ken Ferry Special, best of Chimay is on the outside. Mooney Money, Lim. Expensive Toys racing for TV Magic. Weather lang down on the inside is Trinity Moon. It's now best of Chimay, the leader. And finally, best of Chimay, Ken Ferry Special, Mooney Money, Lim. Expensive Toys, weather lang, TV Magic, Trinity Moon, and Fierce Fighter.